Have you ever wondered how oil like this is made team? With no machines, no electricity, just centuries of tradition? This is the traditional Chinese method of pressing oil, hiril, a process passed down for generations.
It begins not with machines, but with carefully chosen seeds. Every step done entirely by hand to preserve a flavor no factory can replicate.
The process starts on the farm with raw oil seeds like peanuts and sesame.
Each batch is inspected by hand. Only the driest, healthiest seeds are chosen. Damaged or discolored seeds are removed before anything else begins.
Precise weighing ensures every batch presses evenly. Only then are they ready for the next stage and roasting.
Before roasting, the seeds are washed to remove dust and husks. They're laid out to dry completely, lined. Even a trace of moisture affects the oil later. Patience here is essential. Rushing this step ruins the final flavor. The seeds are roasted slowly, never left still, to avoid burning. There's no thermometer here. Only decades of experience guide the timing. When the color deepens and the aroma turns rich, the roasting is complete. Spread out to cool, the seeds rest just long enough to stop the cooking process. Cooling too quickly or too slowly can change the oil's final taste.
Next, the roasted seeds are ground using a traditional stone mill.
The crushed paste is steamed, a crucial step that helps release even more oil. No electricity here. Every rotation is powered by hand. The stones crush the seeds slowly, releasing their natural oils. What comes out isn't oil yet, it's a rich, fragrant paste.
This paste holds the key to everything that follows.
From here, it moves to the steaming station. The crushed paste is steamed, a crucial step that helps release even more oil. Timing is everything. A few minutes too long can affect the final aroma. Once steamed, the paste is ready to be shaped into pressing cakes.
The steamed paste is portioned and wrapped into round cakes.
Each cake is measured carefully. Consistency here means consistency in every drop of oil. By hand, the paste is folded and pressed into a dense, even disc.
These cakes will soon be stacked and placed under enormous pressure. This is the final step before the real pressing begins. This wooden press has extracted oil the same way for hundreds of years.
The stacked cakes are loaded carefully into the press chamber. Every gap is filled precisely. An uneven load could crack the press.
Now, the true pressure begins.
With nothing but a heavy wooden mallet, the pressure builds.
Each strike drives the wedge deeper,
tightening the press. Almost immediately, the first traces of oil begin to appear. More wedges are added, increasing the pressure gradually.
This is physically demanding work, repeated for hours every single day.
What started as simple seeds is now becoming pure, fragrant oil.
This is physically demanding work, repeated for hours every single day.
What started as simple seeds is now becoming pure, fragrant oil. Slowly, steadily, the golden oil begins to flow. The freshly pressed oil still carries tiny particles from the seeds. Every drop is collected in traditional clay basins.
Only the purest oil is allowed to pass through.
It's filtered through layers of cotton cloth to remove any sediment.
The oil is left to settle in large clay jars for several days.
The clarity and color reveal the true quality of the batch. Any remaining impurities sink naturally to the bottom over time. Even the leftover pulp becomes livestock feed and natural fertilizer for the farms. Once settled, the oil is ready, rich, aromatic, and completely natural.
Finally, the oil is bottled by hand, exactly as it has been for generations.
This is how tradition still lives. One press, one drop, one generation at a time.